Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add personal information to your Zoom account on the zoom.us website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone or open the website on your device, and after that go to your home page and click on the My Account button in the upper right corner of the screen. So here you can find this left side column, tap on Profile below the Home section, and here you can see your profile. Here you can see your username. If you want to change it, just tap on the Edit button. You can add your first and last name, your display name, so basically your username. You can add your pronouns that you use. Also, how would you like to share your pronouns? You can add your location, the name of the company you work for, the department of it as well, such as product, then your job title and the name of your manager. And then click on the Save button down below to save these information. And you can also add your phone number, the language that you use. If you tap on the Edit button, you can choose from these options. Tap on the Save button to save it, and you can also add your time zone, the date format, and the time format as well. So each of these information will be saved automatically and updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.